Generally, what Alert Labs does is we make simple to install connected devices that help contractors sell monitoring plans and help engage with their end customers in a very, very sticky kind of way. The solutions that we're bringing to the market are commercial grade sensors that look at all the things that cost homeowners money, from water to heating and cooling expenses. But I want to take you back a little bit and just discuss just the top level business around Alert Labs, and specifically how a lot of us in the HVAC space are often being asked to deploy consumer-based technologies into the pro channel. Often they'll put a pro sticker on a device and have the pros try to resell it. We find that there's a lot of problems with that. We find that specifically we run into IT problems. We run into connecting Wi-Fi devices through hubs, through access points, through routers, back to the internet. What we think fundamentally is that all commercial solutions need to be installed quickly, work reliably, and not require ongoing tech support. That's not our business. Our business isn't doing IT tech support. So at the same time, anything that we deploy should make our customers money. It should be value-added components, and it should help them in their business. Because the more we help them, the more it helps us. So this is where Alert Lab sensors are a little bit different. They are, if you hear the phrase Internet of Things a lot, the Alert Lab sensors are not Internet of Things 1.0, where things connect to routers, to hubs, to access points, and to the internet. Our devices are Internet of Things 2.0 type devices. Our devices connect direct to the cloud. They're always connected. The properties are always protected. You don't have to futz or mess with anybody's internet connection or anything like that. And so this is the key. And at the end of the day, the value that we bring to our channel through you guys to our contractors is that we're going to help them increase revenue by using high value, high margin products to basically upsell high value service and maintenance contracts. We're also going to help them reduce the number of times they have to roll their trucks out on site so they can reduce their operating expenses. And by bringing these solutions exclusively to our partners through you guys and to this channel, we're going to allow them to compete and be very competitive out in the field. And ultimately, the end goal is to make sure that they own their customers. When they go and make a sale, they want to own that customer. So when that customer is in the market again for something, they don't have to go and take something to bid or quote for it. So today, I'm going to introduce to you a couple of the sensors that we have in market now, and I'm also going to share with you a little bit of insight into our roadmap, where we're going. I want to talk to you guys today about Flowy, a product that is used to detect leaks in properties, Floody, a product that catches water penetration into properties, Sumpy, which is a product that's a world's first, actually, preventative sump pump sensor. And I'm going to talk to you about Sentry, a device that connects on new and already out in the field condenser units and monitors AC units. And the whole intention here is to allow our contractors to sell high-value smart leak protection plans, high-value smart sump monitoring plans, smart AC monitoring solutions. So what I want to do in the next 10 minutes is go and speak a little bit about each of the sensors themselves, what they do, how they install, and the value that they bring. And then I'm going to tie it all together with how we're going to engage our contractors.